miles from Josie's Hideout Saloon. After this, gonna head up to Josie. On this ride, I was trying out mounting my GoPro, the Hero 1 with 720p resolution, mounted on my crash bar. I mean, finding a stable location was a challenge. Crash bar was pretty stable compared to anywhere on the fairing, which looked like a super shaky cam. And I was nervous about mounting the GoPro to my helmet, afraid it would just fall off. Plus, it was impossible to tell for sure if it was on or off. I eventually went with the helmet mount and got the remote control. Even that was a challenge since it was pretty hard to see going 60 through a twisty mountain road. Anyway, I hope you like this vintage moto video, and I'll be putting out more when I can. I appreciate all subs, and tap that bell if you want to be notified of future videos. Working on last week's ride to Josie's Hideout right now in the good resolution. All right, ride safe. Bye.